Okay. Who all are there with me here? Lakshmi, Bhavana, Pratishtha, Anand, Deepak, Anurag, Medha, Iram, Deepak, Shivani, Moresh, Pallavi, Anjali, and many more. All right. Let's wait for a while. Even more students are joining in. Or we can even start. See, I've been in contact with many students, including many among you guys. And even before the result was out, many among you had given me the verdict that, sir, we won't be able to do it, we won't be able to clear it because we did so and so mistakes. Someone said that, sir, I marked few bubbles wrong. मैंने 3-4 bubbles wrong mark कर दिया answer sheet में. Someone said, yeah, I had kept marking of bubbles at the end. I didn't get the time. Yeah. Someone said that I couldn't mark few bubbles because of paucity of time. Someone said I attempted few questions. I attempted lesser questions. If I would have attempted more questions, I could have cleared. On the contrary, some people said I had attempted more questions and got more negative marking. If I would have attempted lesser number of questions, then I would have cleared probably. That's the version of some people. On the other hand, many people were really hopeful about their clearing the exam, but they had not checked the answer key, and most probably those guys have stuck in CSAT because they were quite confident in GS1, and the list goes on, guys. The list goes on, and the reasons for not clearing the exam can be n number of reasons can be given. And we have not scheduled this meeting to ruminate over our failures. मातम मनाने के लिए हमने ये मीटिंग नहीं रखी है. Just before talking about the future course of action, आगे क्या करना चाहिए basically, already मैं बात कर चुका हूँ काफी सारे students के साथ. Still, if someone has to give an input, any input, very quickly, anyone among you, कुछ बोलना है, input देना है तो बोल सकते हो.
हेलो सर, दीपक बोल रहा था. वो आनंद बोल रहा है कि शायद उसको ऑडियो नहीं आ रही है, तो प्लीज देख लो सर.
Anand, it must be some network issue on your side because audio is good, everyone can hear it, right guys?
Yes sir, मेरे को तो आई सर.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Ratna, you are on mute. Okay. मैंने जो चीजें बोली हैं उसके अलावा किसी को कुछ इनपुट देना है, कुछ बोलना है तो बोल सकते हो. दीपक, मोनेश, पल्लवी, मेधा, प्रतिष्ठा, एनीवन? शुभम, अंकिता, इरम?
Sir, Shivani this side.
हाँ बोलो शिवानी.
Yes sir. Sir, I personally think that instead of thinking much about like abhi nahi clear hua and all, we should focus on the next step. And with your help, we can strategize this time much better. And we can give a blow in the June attempt. And June is not very far, 7 months only. So, yeah, this is all I have to say.
That's what I said in the beginning. We haven't scheduled this meeting to ruminate over the reasons of our failure, right? और मैंने कुछ reasons पहले ही गिनवा दिए कि क्या reasons बच्चों ने बताए, students ने बताए हैं कि सर ये गलतियां हुई हैं एग्जाम में. Because undoubtedly guys, each one of you, now all of you who are part of this meeting were part of some club of mine. Either you were part of the Destroy Prelims Club, or you were part of Destroy Prelims Plus Club, or you were part of the CSAT Hacked Club, essentially. And you know guys, and I know guys कि हमने कितनी मेहनत की है, collective level पर हो या individual level पर हो. But ultimately it's a competitive exam. Setbacks are a part of the game. ठीक है. Now, what next? आगे क्या करना है? रिजल्ट तो आ गया है, and as Shivani said, roughly 7 months we have at hand. आगे क्या करेंगे, कैसे? Now there can't be a one solution fit for all, because just for example, यहाँ पर जितने भी लोग हैं, roughly 25 students attend कर रहे हैं फिलहाल इस मीटिंग को. Not everyone
Yes, sir.
stands on the same footing. किसी के प्रीलिम्स के स्टैटिक के कॉन्सेप्ट्स काफी वीक है, कोई प्रीलिम्स में बहुत स्ट्रांग है, सीसैट में अटक गया है, ठीक है, एंड सो ऑन. मल्टीपल रीजंस हैं, 7 महीने हैं, सो नो वन सॉल्यूशन फिट फॉर ऑल. कैसे करेंगे? So an ideal strategy that I had discussed with many among you, and you guys, many among you have already started following it. Deepak, are you there?
Yes sir, लेकिन इससे बहुत आवाज आई है. फर्स्ट अब ये सब.
हाँ दीपक.
Currently traveling, that's why.
अच्छा, okay. Ankita.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello Ankita. So Ankita, can you just quickly elaborate कि कौन सी क्या strategy तुम implement कर रही हो अगले 7 months के लिए? We had a detailed discussion over this as part of our Plus Club discussion, and after that as well. क्या कर रही हो तुम फिलहाल?
सर अभी नेक्स्ट 2 मंथ्स के लिए ऑप्शनल के ऊपर पूरा फोकस करना है. ऑप्शनल का नोट्स जितना भी है उसको रिवाइज करना है, प्लस उसका बुलेट पॉइंट्स में नोट्स बनाना है फॉर ऑप्शनल. और उसके बाद हमें एथिक्स और ऐसे के ऊपर ध्यान देना है 2 मंथ्स के लिए फॉर नवंबर एंड दिसंबर. उसके बाद जनवरी से हम जीएस पेपर के ऊपर शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड इन बिटवीन इन दिस 2 मंथ्स हमें प्रीलिम्स को भी पूरा छोड़ना नहीं है. वीकली 1 और 2 टेस्ट सीरीज हमें करना है. दैट्स ऑल सर.
Fine. See, Ankita has beautifully summarized it. Just to put it in other words, what Ankita has said, कि roughly 7 months we have at hand for prelims, and we can divide it into 4 plus 3. 4 months we can dedicate majorly to mains. Guys, can you mute your mic? Arun. Yeah. So 4 plus 3 we can divide. 4 months we can majorly give to mains, and mains maybe major emphasis has to be on optional, has to be on ethics, has to be on essay. Now please understand guys, prelims तो ठीक है हम करेंगे ही, लेकिन सिर्फ prelims clear करके क्या करेंगे? Mains is the real battle later. Prelims clear करने के बाद, and mains में what will ultimately decide your selection, your ranks, will be your optional, will be your essay, and papers like ethics. Definitely दूसरे papers GS 1, 2, 3 को ignore नहीं करना है, but these are your score boosters: optional, essay and ethics. So optional के बारे में मैंने ये पहले भी काफी बोला है. Even I would say this thing is equally applicable for ethics as well, कि माइक्रो नोट्स बनाकर रखना है. 4 महीने है तुम्हारे पास ऑलरेडी, जिन्होंने काफी पढ़ रखा है उन लोगों को सिर्फ कंसोलिडेट करना है और माइक्रो नोट में उसको तब्दील करना है, कन्वर्ट करना है, so that you can go for multiple revisions. Now what do you understand by micro notes? Using keywords. Say for example you are a political science student, you are a sociology student. तुम्हारा पूरा syllabus of that political science or sociology or any other subject should be condensed to a few pages. You should be able to revise and re-revise and re-revise those pages repeatedly. ठीक है? Those couple of pages will be your reference point for your optional and nothing else. Only then you'll be able to replicate what you have read so religiously in the exam. Verbose notes होंगे तो कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. एग्जाम के पहले तुम उस तरह से replicate नहीं कर पाओगे जिस तरह से करना चाहिए to fetch more marks. Now that's about optional. The same thing would apply to ethics. Notes बनाकर रखने हैं topic wise. Same thing goes to essay. अब essay में notes तो नहीं बनाओगे, but practicing it the right way. Now this year marks were tempered, marks were on the lower side in essay. हर साल ऐसा होता है, किसी पेपर में कुछ मार्क्स ज्यादा होते हैं, किसी पेपर में कुछ मार्क्स कम होते हैं. And perhaps this year essay का टाइम अच्छा नहीं था, but in general if you follow some basic rules, some basic strategies, you can score very well in essay. So these 3 papers इनको prioritize करना है इन 4 महीने. 4 महीने के बाद you have 3 months at hand. You'll have to move into prelims mode, guys. 3 months dedicated prelims study करना ही है एग्जाम से पहले. Now that said and done, अभी तक हमने क्या बात की है? पहले मेंस हम कवर करेंगे और इस तरह से करेंगे कि एग्जाम होने के बाद, प्रीलिम्स होने के बाद we'll only be doing answer writing and revision. कुछ नया पढ़ने की जरूरत हमको नहीं होनी चाहिए. That's one. Next thing हमने क्या बोली है? एग्जाम से पहले के 3 महीने we'll be doing solely prelims, dedicatedly prelims की हम पढ़ाई करेंगे. But apart from that, does it mean we'll be completely divorced from prelims for this 7 months? And this especially applies to those guys जिनके लिए prelims is a difficult game, or they are lacking in their basic concepts, or they are lacking in having a proper direction. अगर आप अभी से पूरी तरह से ब्रेक हो जाओगे prelims से, so that will hamper your confidence somewhere or the other. कहीं ना कहीं confidence hamper होगा. So a good idea would be, इस तरह से हम weekly exercise ऐसे के लिए कर रहे हैं, right? We won't be doing essay on a daily basis. Weekly basis पे हम एक essay लिखेंगे, right? So on a similar note, a weekly exercise for prelims would be advisable. Now what can be that weekly exercise? You can go for a weekly test. A weekly test, or that test can even be impromptu. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत उसके लिए पढ़ना है और फिर टेस्ट देना है. इन 4 महीनों की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. इन 4 महीनों में impromptu test दो, so that your mind is not totally disconnected from the main demand of the prelims paper and the evolving trends of prelims. Prelims have been evolving a lot for the last 3 years. उस trend के साथ हमको connected रहना है. So to simplify it further, say for example Ankita is giving 10 hours for her daily study, just for example. अगर 10 घंटे दे रही है, so 8 hours और 8.5 hours she'll be doing mains. Optional करेगी, ethics करेगी, दूसरे subjects करेगी mains के. So at least 1 to 1.5 hour she can think of giving to those areas of prelims which are so-called nightmare for her. Just say for example, if she finds economy very, very difficult, she can keep working on economy and try to brush up her concepts. Because conceptual subjects उन 3 महीने में ऐसा नहीं होगा आखिरी के कि सारे concepts एकदम से समझ में आ जाएंगे. पहले से थोड़ा थोड़ा वर्क करना पड़ेगा. Same thing goes with geography. अगर say for example किसी को बहुत difficult जाता है, so जो conceptual चीजें हैं geography के, थोड़ा थोड़ा आप उसके टच में अभी से रह सकते हो. But the major emphasis would be on mains, optional, essay, ethics, GS paper 1 as well, because GS paper 1 is mostly static. Static अच्छे से कर लोगे GS paper 1 का, तो you can hope to have an edge of at least 10 marks over others. एक बार static अच्छे से तुम cover कर लोगे और उसको present कर पाओगे paper के ऊपर. So this is in short what I wanted to convey and what should be followed as a general strategy. Now this strategy will have to be modulated. Now Sagna के लिए strategy को थोड़ा सा modulate करना पड़ेगा, मेधा के लिए थोड़ा सा change करना पड़ेगा, मुन्नीरत्न के लिए थोड़ा सा change करना पड़ेगा. But in general, this strategy should be will have to be followed. Now, guys, तुम्हारे कुछ questions है? Any doubts that you have? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Shivani.
Sir, Shivani, good night. Sir, actually, I wanted to ask about the prelims club that you have started for the next 7 months. Yes, sir. Actually, I wanted to join it. So how is it going to be? Is it solely for prelims and test series will be given by you, or there will be a mixture of test series from other institutes as well and your own? So how is it going to be? I wanted to know.
Okay. Do you want other institutes' tests to be included in it, Shivani?
Yes, sir. Actually, I want कि मेरा दिमाग एक ही पैटर्न पे काम ना करे. I should be ready for surprises. I can be able to, इस टाइम यही हुआ कि सरप्राइज आया, then I was little bit panicked एग्जाम में. थोड़ा सा पैनिक हो गया था, जिसके कारण थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हो गया. तो सर आई वांट टू मेक माय ब्रेन अडेप्टेड टू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ, और हर कोचिंग का अपना एक तरीका होता है टेस्ट सीरीज देने का. तो मे बी दैट कुड वर्क. आई डू नॉट नो, यू आर बेटर एट दिस. क्योंकि सर मुझे ऐसा पर्सनली लगता है कि 2 महीने आई वॉज विथ यू इन दैट क्लब, एंड जहाँ पे मेरा लेवल था प्रीलिम्स में, उससे बहुत बेहतर हुआ है. हैड आई बीन देयर विथ यू फॉर 7-8 months, आई एम श्योर दैट बहुत अच्छा होता आज. So that is why I want to do this.
See, you are asking about Destroy Prelims or Destroy Prelims Plus Club. So in that, I'll be conducting tests of my own. If you want tests of other institutes, you can give at your own, but we can have discussions on those tests.
It will do, sir. Yes, sir, it will do.
Okay. That we can do. So see, we are open. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ मेरे ही टेस्ट तुमको करने हैं या फिर मेरे ही टेस्ट तुम मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म पर डिस्कस कर सकते हो. That's not the thing. Give any test, we can schedule a date, and we can have a discussion on those tests as well. Okay, that's not an issue. Apart from what Shivani
how many tests will be provided by? How many tests will be provided, sir?
Tests in Destroy Prelims Club.
Yeah.
See, there are 20 tests in it, including FLTs, sectional tests.
For 7 months, sir?
Sorry,
for next 7 months, sir?
Yeah.
For next 7 months, sir?
It's basically a 6-month club, but it will get stretched a bit. Like we will be interacting even after the club gets over. Yes, Shivani?
Okay. I got it.
Yes, sir. The personal mentorship is for what? For the feedback of the test that we take.
No, Shivani. Like personal mentorship is not just related to tests. It will be a comprehensive guidance club where, like, see here, few students are who are already part of my mentorship club. Munjaratna
I
is
was
here.
a part of this process.
Yeah. Ankita is here. Shivani, you are here. Pratishtha is here. So you know what the plus club is about, and and it like you have experienced it. I'll be targeting on your weak areas. Just I gave example of. So I'm giving your example. अगर तुमको economy difficult जाता है, we'll be focusing more on economy. That's one thing, and a target-based approach is followed, right? Like first, Shivani, I used to give you weekly targets, but at that point of time, we didn't have much time.
Yes, sir.
Exam से पहले ज़्यादा time हमारे पास नहीं था, so we had to rush a bit.
Yes, sir.
So from weekly targets, we condensed it to a bi-weekly target exercise. 4 दिन में 3 दिन में हम targets complete किया करते थे. याद है? So that's how it's going to be a target-based, comprehensive guidance and mentorship program. Okay.
Sir, how are you going to know what is our weak area? On the basis of what we say, or are you going to analyze it by the test that we give? The test that we take.
Okay, see, how am I going to know? First of all, if I don't get to know your weak areas, who else will? That is the first thing. See, we'll be interacting on a constant basis, Shivani. And if I am allotting you a task, say for example, XYZ NCRT, I have allotted to you, and then we are having a subsequent discussion. It doesn't take much time to know that you are having trouble in completing that specific NCRT or understanding concepts as discussed in that specific NCRT or any book for that matter. Yes. There is no need of a special procedure to understand which areas are your weak areas, right, Shivani?
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay. Apart from this, anyone else Any question as to your future course of action?
Yes, sir. This is Anand here.
Yes, Anand.
Sir, I missed 1 or 2 minutes when the session started, but I'm asking that when I'm preparing for men's only right now for a few months, let's say 2 months, and we took destroy prelims. So, sir, when we are taking any other test series for my men's, just to give test series, how I'll be able to manage, sir, because there is both way we are getting target to complete for men's also, for the prelims also. So what will be the right approach to handle those things? Because in the same week there will be two tests, either for one for will be men's and for will other will be for prelims, and both will having the targets to complete some certain books. So sir, I'm thinking that how I'll do that, and how I'll go for the essay also. So I'm a bit confused here.
Anand, actually, there is no need to be confused here, as I said, and you said you joined late. See, I'll reiterate myself. This 4 months would be majorly dedicated to mains. And I also gave example, if a student is giving 10 hours for study, daily studies, then roughly 8 hours he or she will be giving to mains. तुम जो भी पढ़ रहे हो, जो भी टेस्ट सीरीज करना चाहते हो, you can go with that. I also said कि prelims जो है, it would be a light exercise for now, these 4 months. And our major aim is to hone our weak areas in prelims, number 1. Number 2,
Yes, sir.
avoiding complete disconnect with the demands and trends of the present prelims examination. So 10 घंटे में से if you are giving 2 hours or 1.5 hour to prelims, I don't think that should be a major issue. I also said कि शुरुआत में we will be giving impromptu tests. Impromptu test देंगे मतलब क्या है? जरूरी नहीं, अगर polity test दे रहे हैं, we will just attempt the test even if we haven't studied for polity in the past 1 week or in the past 2 weeks. That helps us understand our standing. Without even preparing for that specific subject, where do we stand, and how good are we at using logical techniques and arriving at the right answer? Because guys, ultimately the mainstay of my test series would be not Tigidam but Tigidam plus approach. I don't want to confuse you guys, but जहां तक हम लोग जानते हैं तिगड़म्स के बारे में, लॉजिकल टेक्निक्स के बारे में, बिना आंसर पता होते हुए या आंसर के बारे में बहुत कम पता होते हुए, we mark the right answer. And in each and every test, roughly 15 to 20 questions would be on that format, तिगड़म plus format. उन क्वेश्चंस को तुम किस तरह से अटेम्प्ट कर पा रहे हो, and that would be beautifully tested in an impromptu format. Yes, Anand.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, in regarding of Tigdam, sir, I was very much confident after taking the classes. I used to even take the practice session for Tigdams in your space. So after so many test series and using Tigdams, I got so good confidence that I can beat any questions. And I used to do it sitting at home, but at the exam hall, I did blunder, sir. I don't know what went wrong, and I get very less marks. I used Tigdam, but maybe I got scared there. Maybe I mean, distracted from the something, and I did disaster. So that from that time, I have doubts about like how I'm using Tigdam at home, and that is not actually working at the exam center. And I was even so I thought I'll speak with you once about it.
See, Anand, we are not here to ruminate over our past failures or what blunders that we committed. अगर हम डर गए थे, अगर हम घबरा गए थे, same thing happened with Muniratna. Muniratna panicked in the initial,
yes,
right,
sir.
Muniratna?
Yes, sir.
In the initial
Initially, 15 minutes, I did not know anything. I got nervous, and in absence of I marked correct answers was wrong answer.
Yeah. So शुरुआत में मुनिरत्न भी पैनिक हो गई थी, and then she could not bring herself to composure, and that led to many wrong answers which she could have marked right Muniratna?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So let's not go into those things, let's not go into the past or ruminate over those things. आगे की
अच्छा,
बातें
sir.
करते हैं.
Sir,
So
one more thing, the
Yeah, Anand.
small one. So, sir, if I have missed any booklets or any maybe old NCRTs, and if in the prelims target, if you mention to read that, and which I have never read before, should we go for that, sir? Or I told you that if you are taking mains test series also or prelims also and reading for new books, you said don't read anything new. So what should we do? Because we don't want to take other chances, like we have not read that even it was recommended. So I please
See,
clarify this
that thing
also,
is
sir.
contextual, Anand. I'll explain it to you. When at that point of time we had little less than 2 months for the exam, and at that point of time
Yes.
it was not at all advisable to go for new things,
Yes.
right? But now we have 7 months at hand, right?
Yes, sir.
So the strategy will change accordingly. Say, for
Yes.
example, most of the students had read Shankar IAS for economy, for environment.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Environment, yes, sir.
Yeah, but some students had read some other books, some other institutes books, some other government books. So I didn't ask them, or I didn't expect them to go for Shankar IAS in entirety. Okay.
Yes.
So I allowed them to go with what they had already read, because they had a good hold over those books. Fine. And
Yes,
it
sir.
was contextual. Less than 2 months were remaining. Now we have good time. If there is at all a need for changing the book list or the books that you haven't read, we can do it accordingly.
Yes, sir.
Now we have
Yes,
that
sir.
luxury of time, isn't it, Anand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anything else,
Thank you,
guys?
sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, Pratishta.
Sir, I wanted to ask, apart from optional ethics and essay papers, what should be the approach for GS 1, 2, and 3 papers for the person like who have not prepared for from the mains perspective, like the topics which are not covered in the prelims?
Okay, Pratishta, like as I said, as I emphasized on these 3 subjects, because these are your score boosters. But at the same
Yes.
time, I also said you can't ignore the other subjects. Now, coming to your main question, how to go about these. Now, like 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, a student asked about how to balance main test series and prelims test series. So, doing a test-based preparation would be the best thing. Say, for example, you subscribe to a test series of some reputed institution, and you hinge your preparation according to that test. Okay? That will give you a target, that will give you a deadline, and that will help you to test yourself in the paper itself. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So go
Sir,
for
so
some.
there is no need. Sir,
Complete yourself.
sir, there is no. Sir, is there no need for properly like for topic to topic preparation for other topics like from GS 1, 2, and 3?
Guys, we have 9 minutes left in this meeting. Pratishta, what you're saying would be covered in that test-based approach. Say, for example, you're giving tests for GS paper 2. Okay. They'll provide you a proper syllabus, and you will be reading those sub-bits only for that particular test, right?
Okay, sir.
So that question gets answered over there. उस सिलेबस के अनुसार तुम पढ़ोगी, रिवाइज करोगी, और हफ्ते के आखिर में जाके टेस्ट भी दोगी. So you are completing the syllabus, you are consolidating the syllabus, and then you are testing yourself कि कितना तुमने पढ़ा है अच्छे से, और क्या छूट गया है, और किस तरह से इम्प्रोवाइज करना बाकी है. It has to be a test-based process, be it mains, be it prelims. Getting the point, Pratishta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyone else, guys?
हेलो सर,
Hello,
दीपक
sir.
बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ, दीपक.
हाँ सर, मैं बस ये एक ही ऐड करूंगा कि जो मैंने सबसे फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट दिया था, उसमें उसके कंपेयर में ये वाला जो अटेम्प्ट है वो मतलब कंपैरिजन में बहुत अच्छा गया. तो मैं ऐसे ही बोलूंगा कि बस खुद से इम्प्रूवमेंट अगर हो जाएगा ना, जैसे मेरा लास्ट टाइम ना जीएस अच्छा था ना सीसेट अच्छा था, इस टाइम एटलीस्ट सीसेट मेरा अच्छा था, मतलब आपके उस हाइट क्लब से वो बहुत फायदा हुआ और मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट था सीसेट को लेके। तो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर खुद से इम्प्रूवमेंट हो गया तो प्रोबेबली नेक्स्ट जो भी अटेम्प्ट है हमारा सबका, अगर उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट करके जीएस और सीसेट दोनों भी बराबर हो गए तो वो इजीली क्लियर होगा। मैं बस यही बोलना चाहूंगा कि किसी टॉपर या वो को देख के कि फर्स्ट रैंक आ गया उसका फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में या 10वां रैंक आ गया, मतलब इतना मतलब खुद को कंपेयर मत करना किसी के भी साथ पे, जस्ट कि खुद से इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाए तो फिर अपने आप हो जाएगा। और कभी भी ये बॉकडाउन मत हो जाओ कोई भी कि मतलब यार तीसरा अटेम्प्ट है या चौथा अटेम्प्ट है, इम्प्रूवमेंट होते रहेगी अपने आप हो जाएगा। तो
Well
और कुछ
said.
नहीं, बस यही बोलना
Well
था।
said, Deepak. Well said. Now that's a very positive way of looking at things, and actually that is needed. इस तरह का अगर enthusiasm नहीं होगा तो हम मोटिवेट नहीं हो पाएंगे पढ़ने के लिए, पेसिमिस्टिक रहकर पढ़ाई नहीं हो सकती। Okay, anyone else? Pallavi or anyone else? We have 7 minutes left.
Sir,
पूछना है? Yeah.
hello sir, this is Pallavi.
Yeah, Pallavi.
Sir, so regarding the future course of action, this may be a personal question for me. So sir, how wise is it for us to consider plan B, considering there's only 7 months left, and because there's always a degree of uncertainty that no one can avoid in this exam.
Yeah, this
So
thing, Pallavi, this thing I'll discuss with you separately because it's a very individual question, right? It won't
Yes, sir.
apply to on a collective basis.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Let's have a
Okay,
different
sir,
talk
thank you.
over this. Apart from this,
Yes sir,
anyone?
thank you.
Ankita, Shubham, Muniratna, Anurav, Sagna, you are awfully silent.
Hello.
Yeah, Sanjana.
Hello. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
So no, actually, I joined your CSAT batch, and I did well in CSAT, and I was pretty confident that I would clear CSAT, but I couldn't make through GS. Matlab, even my GS was also good. I did it all. मतलब जितना टेस्ट सीरीज लगाना है, रिवाइज करना है, सब कुछ करंट अफेयर्स किया. So my point is कि now I'm at this stage. I don't think so I would be able to continue because like age factor, family reason, and अभी क्या करना चाहिए and what all is left. मतलब तो मेरा question ये है कि
Sanjana, again it's a very
those who have
individual thing.
cleared. So no, just a general question that those who have cleared and those who have not cleared, what is the difference between like that list के इधर है और कुछ list में नहीं है, तो हम क्या miss कर रहे हैं? And because it's a cycle, it's repeating, and मेरे साथ situation है कि I'm not even through the prelims and I'm all set. My mains is done, everything is done, but वही है कि अगर prelims नहीं हुआ तो mains का क्या point है?
बहुत शॉर्ट में तुम्हारा आंसर दूंगा संजना. यू आर आस्किंग व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दोज हु हैव क्लियर्ड प्रीलिम्स एंड दोज हु हैव नॉट क्लियर्ड प्रीलिम्स. यू आर आस्किंग मी अबाउट प्रीलिम्स. लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट फाइनल सिलेक्शन. क्या डिफरेंस होता है जिनका फाइनल सिलेक्शन होता है जिनका नहीं होता है? देयर इज हार्डली एनी डिफरेंस संजना. until and unless people don't find their name in the final list, they just hope to have their name. But all of a sudden, if they find their name in top 100, top 50, top 20, ठीक है, so that's a happy shock that they get. But they never anticipate that they'll be in top 50 or top 20. Getting my point? They just hope to be in the list. So as such, difference कुछ नहीं होता है संजना. It's a competitive examination. बहुत मेहनत करने के बाद भी we are left out of the race at times. ठीक है. Apart from this, जो individual तुमने पूछा question कि आगे क्या करें वगैरह, just ping me on Habitat. I'll talk to you separately. Fine, Sanjana.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir. Okay.
Apart from this, anyone? 4 minute बचे हैं. Any doubt? Any query?
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Yeah, Pranay.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have registered for the 2022 Destroy Prelims course. I'm not sure it's the right forum, so just wanted to check, like, what is it? Like, when is it going to start? Any details regarding the course? If it's the right for forum to mention that.
No,
for the
it's not
Destroy
the
Prelims
right forum to
2022.
mention that. your details will be shared in
Okay.
your club today itself. Like today is 30th. Fine.
Okay.
In the
Okay.
club, you'll find all the details being posted today. Yes, Shivani?
So when it is starting?
It's supposed to start today, Shivani. And it starts with introductory calls. I'll be talking individually to all the students who are part of the Plus Club. And
So
those
please
students...
wait, I am just registering.
Sorry, Shivani?
So actually, I'm asking that if you start any subject-wise thing or something, then please wait for few hours. I will just register after this call.
Yeah, don't worry. Don't worry. आज ऐसा बहुत कुछ नहीं होने वाला है क्लब में. कर लो register. Okay. Anyone else?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anand.
Hello. Sir, in the prelim Destroy Plus, are you taking any CSAT test also in the full length?
No. CSAT is not included in the Destroy Plus Club, Anand. CSAT का अलग club होता है. Like many students here were part of that CSAT
I
club.
know, sir.
Sir, you have any initiative for mains?
Geet Bharti. For mains, I am having an essay test series, an essay club, Geet, which is already active.
Okay,
Fine.
sir.
It's for mains 2022 specifically. After the mains is over, I may or I may not have a main specific thing, but at present I'm having that essay club. Okay. Anyone else?
So only essay club.
Yeah. Only essay. Nothing else for now.
Thank you.
Nothing else for 2022. Rest I'm doing Destroy Prelims 2022 for the 2022 जनता. Okay, Geet. हाँ guys, आखिरी का 1-1.5 मिनट है. कुछ बोलना है, पूछना है? Okay, all are silent. Fine, guys. I hope all of you are clear with what we have discussed, and I will also be posting this recorded video in the club ताकि जो लोग ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए हैं उनको भी थोड़ा सा बेसिक आइडिया लग पाए. ऑल राइट गाइज, लगते हैं रिजल्ट जो आया है उसको भूलते हैं और आगे पूरी ताकत के साथ, पूरे एंथुजियाज्म के साथ मेंस 2022 को टारगेट करते हैं. Am I clear, guys? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So thank you.
नहीं सुनाई दिया guys, नहीं सुनाई दिया. Am I really
Yes,
clear?
sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes.
guys. Thanks for joining in. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.